Our intention with Misty was to create a workhorse in our Klattemusen collection. And with the knickers, we made a shorter version for the hot summer hikes. The cut is shaped but still relaxed, with maximum freedom of movement through pre-bent knees and a stretchy material. The men's model has a double front zip, which means the pants will stay in place even when zipped down. It has 2 front pockets and an additional zipped leg pocket with an internal mesh for your phone. We also topped it off with Duracoat reinforcements in the most sensitive areas, the knees and the rear. The Misty knickers are crafted from our tried and tested softshell windstretch. It is a Bluesign approved fabric and a PFOA and fluorocarbon free product.